Have you ever wondered how some tiny creatures can help solve the massive problem of plastic pollution? Meet the mealworms and waxworms, the superheroes of plastic degradation. These worms have a special ability to consume and break down plastic. But how do they do it? The secret lies inside their guts, where tiny bacteria play a crucial role. Inside the digestive system of these worms, there are specialized bacteria. These bacteria have evolved to break down tough substances like plastic. Let's take a closer look at their life cycle. The process starts when the worm eats the plastic. As the plastic enters the worm's gut, it encounters these remarkable bacteria. The bacteria produce enzymes that start breaking down the plastic into smaller, more manageable molecules. This is the first critical step in the degradation process. As the plastic molecules are broken down, the bacteria absorb these simpler compounds and use them as nutrients. This allows the bacteria to grow and multiply, continuing the cycle of degradation. The bacteria convert the plastic into byproducts like carbon dioxide and energy, which the worms can use. The remaining material is excreted as biodegradable waste, much less harmful than the original plastic. Scientists are studying these processes closely to understand how we can harness these bacteria for large-scale plastic waste management. While we're still in the early stages, the potential is enormous. So, the next time you see a tiny worm, remember the incredible bacteria inside it, working hard to break down plastic and help protect our planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating science stories. See you next time.